Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connection. Click on connection and click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on the settings icon and click on forget. After click on forget and click on internet and you will see enter password and click on connect. You will see your internet is connect, but if it not connect, go to home screen and open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon and click on restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, password, pattern, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down. Click on reset. After click on reset, and if you want to fix this problem, so click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings and click on reset settings and you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.